kids, this is Jensen Collins, a children's book illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a manicure. Alright, to draw our manicure, we're going to start off by drawing a hand. I'm going to use this blue right here and our marker tool. I'm going to start, our hand's going to be kind of going this way. So I'm going to start by putting in a shirt sleeve. We're going to do a little line like this, and then a long line like this that comes off the page. You want to make sure they're connected because I'm going to use the paint bucket tool right there to fill in our sweater for us. I'm going to switch back to our marker tool. I'm going to go find a brown. This one looks nice. And I'm going to start drawing in our fingers. So we're not going to draw a full hand. Hands are actually very, very hard to draw. We're going to draw just the fingers coming out of our sweater like this. And so our middle finger is going to be the tallest. These two are going to be the next tallest. We've got a little pinky and a thumb that curves out like that. First thing we need to do is draw a straight line like this. Straight line, a little curve, another straight line, kind of like a really long U. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come next to it. We're going to draw another curve and a straight line back. Another curve and a straight line back. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to do a curve and a straight line back. We're going to do the pinky out just a little bit. So just like we drew the middle finger, we're going to draw an upside down U. Like that one. And then we're going to draw the thumb. The thumb's going to be a little different because when you lay your hand like this, all your fingernails go up except for your thumb. It goes a little bit out to the side. So we're going to do a curve like this. Put our little curve at the top and then bring it back in a straight line like that. Now I know this doesn't quite look like a hand yet, but we are going to get there. So I'm going to go through and make sure that each of these fingers actually touches the sweater that we made. We're going to use our bucket tool. I'm going to go find a color that's just a little bit different than the one we currently have so we can keep our outlines. And I'm just going to fill in each of these fingers like that. Now, the color that we previously used is right here. I'm just going to go back to it because now we actually need to put the fingernails in. And so we're going to go to the tips of these fingers, draw a line back. We're going to switch over to our marker tool. We're going to go to the tips of these fingers. We're going to draw a straight line back and then kind of a curved shape at the bottom. I think I actually want a little bigger than that. The nails are what are important in this manicure. Okay. So on the thumb, you're going to see this side and then about half your nail. On this middle finger, you're going to see most of the fingernails. We're going to start with the curve in the back like this, and we're going to take them to the edge of the finger like this. I'm going to go ahead and do that for this one. This one is kind of touching that one, so it's going to touch the finger and then go out to the tip like that. I'm going to change this one just a little bit. If you see it and it doesn't quite look right, you can always change it just a little bit. All right, so we're going to draw another nail bed back here. And then one over here as well. I'm going to do like a pointed tip manicure on this model. So on the thumbnail, we're just going to go up. And then we're going to follow this line to that point. You might need to be like me and use your eraser tool to make those line up a little better. We're going to start with the middle finger on this one. We're going to go from this side and make a triangle. And this side and make a triangle. Like that. We'll do the same thing here. Now this finger kind of goes behind this other finger. So we're going to take the triangle behind the finger. So it's kind of sitting underneath like that. Do the same on this side. And the same for this little pinky. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to use our eraser tool. And anywhere that we've put the skin color inside of these nails, we're going to erase it. If you erase too much, like I have, you can always go back to your marker tool and just put the line back down. It is important that we have a thick, solid line on the end of these nails for what we're about to do. I'm going to go back to my eraser tool and just continue to erase the skin tone on the inside of those nails. We're just going to add a couple more details so that this looks more like a hand. So on the thumb, we're going to draw a little squiggly line right there. We're going to draw a squiggly line right here, and here, one right there, another one here, and here. These are where all of your fingers bend. It doesn't look just like a sausage. Okay, next I want to put a background color in real quick. I'm going to pick this blue. Now this is why it was important for all of us to have solid lines, because we're going to use that paint bucket tool. And if you don't have solid lines, it will find the hole and it will go into new places. It might happen accidentally. That's okay. We can always fix it. All right, so now we have our hand. We have some nice nail points, and then we've got our little sweater over here. Now the reason we did it this way is I've purposely erased these spots, not colored them white, because I want to use these background colors to change the nail color. So maybe some green, or maybe a pink would be pretty. Maybe, ooh, a red. Those are cool. But what I really want are these stars, because I think they look kind of sparkly. So again, that was this one right here, this star pattern. And on these nails, I'm going to add just a little bit of shimmer. So I'm going to go and grab this blue right here. I'm going to switch to my crayon tool. And I'm just going to put a little blue curve right here. Might need to make it smaller. Little blue curve right here on all of these nails. I'm going to go find a pink. This one will work. And I'm going to put a little bit of a mark on the tips. This kind of gives them that 3D shimmer effect. Now you can still see the outline we used to block out where the nail was. You can leave it like that, or if you're like me, you can come back through and just add a black outline. So the star pattern is only going to show up wherever you have not already put color down. So as I put this black down, you might see some of the stars disappear. But there you have it, a manicure.